Hi, you're doing great. Now we'll teach you a third patching technique, this time using procedures and profiles through configuration templates.
Go to Applications, then IT and Security Manager. Then click on the Configurations Templates tab and select Procedures. Then click the Create icon and choose Create Patch Procedure in the drop-down menu. Give it a name and optionally a description. You'll see that it is stored in the My Procedures folder by default. Click Create. Select Execution Options, then Edit. Then pick out the type of updates to deploy. Here, we choose to enable critical updates. Click Save when you're finished. Also, please notice that there are options for rebooting under Restart Control, where you can control the timing or suppress reboots. The Schedule tab lists what procedures are associated with what profiles. The Execution Logs tab shows which machines received updates and when. Now, go to the Profiles tab, where you can set the schedule. Click on the name, not the box, of a profile on the list. Then Add Profile section and Procedures in the drop-down. Click on the Add button. Then, in the pop-up box, search for the name of the procedure you want to schedule. Notice that there are brackets after the patch name. These brackets tell what type of procedure it is. Here, it is a patch. There are 3 types of procedures. They can be a patch, or a script, or a third-party patch. Now, we will set the schedule. In the Schedule drop-down, we will set Daily, with a set time and no end date. And click Add, and then the Save button. This procedure has been scheduled. You will see a green confirmation box. If you go back to the Procedure tab, you can now see this update in the list under Schedule. Now, every device that has this profile will follow this procedure and schedule for patch updates. Now, look at this diagram. It is very simple, but it shows an important truth to remember, as we said at the beginning. Every device requires a profile. Every procedure that you make needs to be associated to a profile, which is what we have just done here. Now, we need to apply the profile to each device. Let's go back to the device list and return to the device we worked on before. Click on the name. In this device, click on the Associated Profiles tab. You will now see that this procedure has been associated to the machine through the profile. Since we have scheduled this profile to run on a daily basis, this computer will run that patch procedure every single day. That's what we mean when we say every device needs a profile. As in the diagram, procedures are applied to the profile and the profile is applied to the device. Usually, you set up the profile first. This helps you set procedures for many machines. For example, if a profile is set for 100 endpoints and you then apply the profile to an update procedure, it will apply to all 100 devices.
That closes the third way to deploy patches, by creating procedures and profiles through configuration templates. Take the quiz, and we will be right back.